Hey guys, welcome back. Me DC Connor, and today I have some Seiko watches to show you. I'm not gonna show you this one or this one. You can check that in my uploads and videos. But today I wanna go quartz, but not just any quartz. Seiko, as you know, invented quartz, and back when you go vintage, back in the years. These are Seiko quartz chronographs. Most famously, Seiko came up with the first analog chronograph, and I will show you these. This is a nice memento. This is a vintage Seiko quartz chronograph, and I will give you the reference. The moment is 7032, so this is not the one of the first. This is a bit older, but it's very cool. One of my first videos on my channel was how to align the hands on this watch. I had similar one with 7032 movement. This is a gold plated, and it's a perfect example why you should not buy gold plated watches. So you can see the wear on this, but it's still cool. Okay. Let me go from here. There's another one. This is also Seiko quartz. This is a bit smaller. You can say it's a lady size, but given the age, I think some hairy bloke wore this proudly because the watches were not that big. Okay, now we have this one. This is the first Seiko analog chronograph. I will find you. I just want to see. There's one with the date, one without the date. They're different reference, but this is Seiko 7838. So yeah, this is 38. This is Seiko one of the first Seiko analog chronographs. It has lots of jewels, and I will recommend this value. First of all, it's a first hunting, and first hunting collecting always makes sense, and it's just attractive chronograph. It has integrated bracelet, very nice, and I think this is a much better buy than Henry. Or no bad feelings towards Dan Henry. They make attractive watches, but I think this is just cooler. These are a bit smaller in size. These are like. This is, let me just check, 35, 36, depends, 38, depends on the year, but these were the coolest watches back in the day, so yeah. Okay, I have some more Seiko watches to show you. This one is the same, but with the moon phase. And where can you get these watches? Well, you can get these watches on eBay, my friends. I think that's the easiest route if you want to just open a different tab and check the eBay. This one's particularly nice. It has two-tone bracelet, but this one is particularly nice. It has a two-tone bracelet, but very subtly done. You can see this, very cool. I would rock this. Clasp is not that much, but yeah, very cool, very attractive. I think this could be one of my favorites. And yeah, Seiko quartz, vintage quartz chronographs, analog, are very cool and very collectible. So yeah, here I have different kind of monster, and I did a video on this one. This is the other Seiko Monster. So this is the Seiko Monster, but this is the other Seiko Monster. This is a Seiko Sportura. I will link you to my video about this watch in depth. This is a Seiko Sportura Jay Leno. So famously, Jay Leno wore this one. This is a kinetic watch, and I don't think it's working now. It haven't been worn in years, but still very cool. When you first take a look at this watch, you don't know if it's ugly or it's beautiful. Some people like it, some people do not. First of all, I thought it was the ugliest thing ever, but once you put it on your wrist, let me just show you. once you put it on the wrist, it's like a quirky, cool watch, and I like it. See, it works a little bit. Yeah, it's a kinetic watch, so it needs to be worn to work. But super cool, and famously, Jay Leno wore this watch and has videos, car videos, and I don't know, on his shows. And I haven't really watched his shows, but yeah. So that's it, guys. I showed you some of the quirky vintage watches. If you want to see more of this watch, I made a specific video about it. It's a bit older, it might be cringy. Go check it out. I will link you. Yeah, but these guys here, these are the bomb. Super cool, super cool. Okay, do we have a thumbnail picture? Yeah. So please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm EDC Connor, and I like watches, all sorts of watches, from Rolex to Seiko. When you love watches, you just do.
Went from Seiko to Rolex.